Hello students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is food. Where does it come from? Learning objectives, food choices, sources of food materials, food that animals eat, and unequal distribution of food. So all living beings on the earth need food to work. Food gives them the energy required for the growth of their body and for doing different functions. Food also helps to maintain good health and heal wounds, and there are several kinds of food. We get food from different sources. So you have different sources of food. All living organisms require food, and we get this food from different kinds of sources. Food choices. India is a vast country. People of different regions of our country eat different types of food and cook differently. For example, people of the northern India like dishes such as curry, chole, bhature, whereas upma, vada, idli and sambar are the favorite dishes of the southern India. So you have different food choices. North India में आपका अलग food variations होते हैं. South India में आपके अलग choices या फिर चीजें देखी जाती हैं. Now mind-boggling, the material or substance which we eat is called the food. Basic statement, जो आप खाते हो उसको आप खाना बोलते हैं. Now different people have different food choices. Some like rice, whereas some others may like chapatis made by wheat flour. And the food choice also depends on the region where one lives. अब आपकी अलग-अलग food choice होते हैं. किसी को रोटी खाना पसंद है, किसी को उसी का पराठा बना के खाना पसंद है, किसी को चावल पसंद है. चावल भी अलग-अलग forms में पसंद है. But majorly जो food choices होते हैं, it also depends on the region where you live. Now mind-boggling, materials which are used to prepare food items are called the ingredients. अलग-अलग food items आपके अलग-अलग substances से बनते हैं. These substances are known as ingredients. Now different substances are required to make different food items. There are some substances common for different dishes. The materials needed to prepare any food item are called its ingredients. We may need 2 or more ingredients to prepare any food item. Different ingredients are needed for different types of food. For example, to cook or prepare rice, we need raw rice and water. Thus, rice and water are the 2 ingredients for cooking rice. So, अलग-अलग depending upon क्या खाना आप बना रहे हो, आपके ingredients अलग होते हैं. Simple आपको boiled rice, steamed rice चाहिए, तो आपके ingredients क्या होंगे? चावल और पानी. ऐसे ही क्या आपको बनाना है, उसमें क्या-क्या चीजें डलेंगी, सामग्री जिसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं. These are your ingredients. Some food items need more ingredients to cook them, vegetables or oil or ghee, spices, salts, etc. For example, vegetable curries require different types of ingredients. तो अलग-अलग food items में जैसे आपकी curry या vegetable curry जब बनती है तो उसमें आपको more than 2 or 3 ingredients you require to make them. Now as an activity, different ingredients are needed to prepare the different food items we eat. Enlist the food items you have eaten today. Find out the ingredients in them and write the information in the table given below. तो अलग-अलग food items जो आपको पसंद हैं वो भी आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. 5 ऐसे food items और उनके बनाने के लिए क्या-क्या ingredients चाहिए होते हैं. Take the help of your mother also and just write it down. Now you have different sources of food materials. So the major sources of the various food ingredients are either plants or animals. So let's begin with the food that we get from the plants. Plants are one of the most important sources of our food ingredients. We get these ingredients from certain parts of different plants. तो आपका जो plant driven food items होते हैं आपको अलग-अलग parts से वो मिलते हैं. Now mind-boggling, the parts of plants which are eaten are called the edible parts. तो plant के वो part जो आप खा सकते हो या किसी भी चीज़ का जो part आप खा सकते हो, we call them the edible parts. Now roots of certain plants are used as food by us. For example, radish, carrot, turnip, potato, sweet potato and beet are the roots of their respective plants. And now there are certain roots, जैसे radish हो गया, carrot हो गया, ये roots होते हैं plants के and we consume them. In certain plants, the stem grows underground and stores the food made by the leaves, ginger, potato and onion and are such stems eaten by us. जैसे potato हो गया, ये आपका stem होता है plant का, but ये भी आप consume कर लेते हो. So there are certain roots and stems of the plants which are completely edible. We eat leaves of spinach, lettuce and trigonella plants. There are some flowers eaten as food. Cauliflower and flowers of pumpkin are edible. Guava, apple, banana, mango, etc. Some fruits we eat. अब कुछ आपके seeds ऐसे होते हैं, जैसे pumpkin seeds हो गया, अलग-अलग type के seeds होते हैं. These are also edible. कुछ ऐसे plants होते हैं जिसके seeds edible नहीं भी होते हैं. Then leaves होते हैं, जैसे lettuce leaves हो गया, वो भी आप consume कर सकते हो. Now there's a Factopedia. Cooking is an important part of food preparation. Cooking makes the food soft and easily digestible. It also changes its texture, flavor, nutritional value and the appearance. तो cooking का food preparation का important part होता है. ये आपके खाने को soften भी कर देता है और जो nutrients होते हैं body आपकी उसको अच्छी तरीके से absorb भी तभी कर पाती है. Now, did you know some plants have 2 or more edible parts? For example, we eat leaves of mustard plant as vegetable, while its seeds give us oil. Similarly, the flowers, fruits and core of banana trunk are used as food. तो plants के बहुत सारे ऐसे parts होते हैं जो edible होते हैं, different parts of the plants, and these are edible also. Now, thus we eat different parts of different plants. In other words, there are certain parts of a plant which are edible to us. Mostly, we do not eat raw food items, but some food items can be eaten raw if prepared differently. अब maximum food items आपके potato हो गया, brinjal हो गया, इसको आप पकाकर ही खा सकते हो, कच्चा नहीं खा सकते. But then there are certain plants or certain vegetables or fruits also जिसको आप differently पका के या बिना पकाए raw भी खा सकते हैं. Now there's an activity to prepare sprouts. Follow the given steps. Take some dry seeds of gram chana or green gram moong. Soak the seeds in water for a day in a container. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the container for another day. You will find small white structures coming out of the seeds and the seeds have germinated or sprouted. अब चना जो आपके काले चने होते हैं या फिर जो हरी मूंग होती है उसको कच्चा आप थोड़े दिनों के लिए आप पानी में पहले सोक करिए और उसके बाद उसको टाइट मसलिन क्लॉथ में आप उसको कहीं पे टांग दीजिए. After 1 or 2 days, you will start to notice a whitish thing coming out of these seeds, and this means कि आपका जो सीड है वो आपका जर्मिनेट होना शुरू हो गया और स्प्राउट उसमें से निकलने लग गए हैं. And these are really rich in proteins. Now think yourself, how are plants the ultimate source of food on the earth? And please answer this question yourself. Various food items produced by plants can be grouped as follows. Number 1 is cereals. Cereals are edible grains obtained from cultivated grasses. The major cereals in India are rice, wheat, maize, sorghum, jawar, millet, barley, etc. तो पहले टाइप के आपके जो प्लांट बेस्ड फूड है, पहला है आपका सीरियल्स जिसमें आपके व्हीट, मेज ये सब आ जाता है. Second is your pulses. Pulses जिसे हम दाल भी बोलते हैं. These are the second to cereals in our food. These are an important source of proteins. The most common pulses grown in India are gram, peas, pigeon pea, arhar, soya bean, lentil which is masoor, beans, green gram which is moong, kidney beans which is rajma, chickpeas which is kabuli chana, etc. फिर आपकी दाल आती हैं, अलग अलग तरीके की दाल होती हैं, rich source of protein, and you have different kinds of dals or pulses. Then vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits are good sources of minerals, vitamins and roughages. These are grown and eaten almost everywhere. फिर आपके अलग अलग तरीके के सब्जियां और फल आते हैं. Huge sources of different kinds of vitamins and minerals and also a huge source of water and roughage. Then you have oil seeds. Seeds of many plants are used to extract oil from them. Some most common oil seeds are mustard, sunflower, coconut, groundnut, cotton seed, soya bean and sesame which is तिल. अब आते हैं oil seeds. इन seeds को बुरी तरीके से grind करके इसमें से तेल निकाला जाता है और कुछ seeds को ऐसे ही consume भी करा जाता है. Then you have sugar. Some plants are rich in sugar. Sugarcane and beetroot are the main sources of sugar. अब कुछ ऐसे plants होते हैं जिसमें से sugar निकलता है. For example, sugarcane and beetroot are the primary sources of extracting sugar. Then you have tea and coffee. These are obtained from leaves of tea and seeds of coffee and cocoa. Then you have spices. Spices are the parts of plants used to add taste and flavor to raw or cooked food. Pepper, cardamom, cumin, cloves, coriander and turmeric are some common spices. अब आते हैं आपके spices. इनको आप अपने खानों में taste और flavor के लिए add on करते हो and there are certain spices जिसको आप raw भी consume कर सकते हैं. Now a Factopedia, spices used to flavor uncooked food are called condiments. अब आपके जो ऐसे spices होते हैं जो uncooked food के साथ आपको दिए जाते हैं just to add flavor to them are known as condiments. Thus we get most of our food from plants. In other words, plants are the main sources of food on the earth. अभी तक हमने ये देख लिया है कि majority of food items that we consume is driven from plants only. Hence we can conclude very safely that majority खाना आपका plant से ही आता है. Now mind-boggling, animals which provide meat and egg are called poultry. अब जिन animals से आपको meat, egg ये सब मिलता है we call it the poultry. Food that we get from animals: milk, eggs, meat, honey and fish are some food items we get from animals. Milk, butter, cheese, we get milk from animals such as cow, buffalo, goat and sheep. Some other milk products are curd, cheese, butter, ghee, खोया, ice cream and कुल्फी. तो मिल्क, बटर, चीज ये आपको अलग अलग एनिमल से मिलता है. मिल्क आपको काउ, बफेलो, गोट से मिलता है. इन्हीं से फिर चीज, बटर, ये सब चीजें बनाई जाती हैं. Then you have eggs. These are obtained from birds, hens, ducks, geese and turkeys. These are rich sources of protein. अब eggs आपको hen, turkey, geese, duck इन सभी से मिलता है. And these are highly recommendable if you want protein rich diet. Then fish and meat. Fish is the major part of food for people living in the coastal regions. We also eat meat of some animals like hen, duck, sheep, goat, etc. फिर fishes वगैरह भी consume करते हैं, meat भी consume होता है. Then we have honey. Honey is produced by honey bees from the nectar of flowers. Honey bees store honey in beehives. अब honey आपको honey bees से extract होता है, which is the nectar. Then food that animals eat. Every living being needs food, from mosquito to whale, ant to elephant, and even plants also need food. तो हर living organism को खाना चाहिए ही होता है, चाहे छोटे से छोटा जानवर हो या बड़े से बड़ा जानवर हो. Now there's an factopedia. Honey is the only food that doesn't rot. Honey एक लौता ऐसा खाना है पूरे दुनिया में जो खराब सड़ता कभी भी नहीं है अगर प्योर है. Mind-boggling. Honey is a sweet liquid produced by honey bees from the nectar. Sweet juice produced by the flowers. तो honey आपका वो sweet juice होता है जो आपके flowers के nectar से secrete होता है. Now there is an activity. Complete the table to show the food eaten by different animals given below. So you have human beings, cow, horse, goat. ये अलग अलग animals क्या खाना खाते हैं? Search it out and write it down here. Now some animals eat plants and certain others eat other animals as their food. Even the animals eaten by others depend on plants for their food. Thus, plants are the primary sources of food on the earth. Not just human beings, बल्कि animals भी आपके दूसरे animals के अलावा plants पे dependent होते हैं खाने के लिए. So classification of animals on the basis of food they eat. Depending upon the food they eat, organisms can be divided into the following types. Number one is herbivores, which is plant eaters. The animals that eat only plants or plant products are called herbivores. Elephant, camel, cow, deer, goat, grasshopper, etc. are some herbivores. So herbivores are the plant eaters. ये सिर्फ plants ही consume करते हैं, जैसे buffalo, goat, etc. Then you have carnivores, meat eaters. The animals that eat meat or flesh of the other animals are called carnivores. Lion, tiger, jackal, frog, snake and lizard are some carnivores. अब carnivores आपकी meat eaters होते हैं, ये दूसरे animals का flesh खाते हैं. Some animals such as kite and vulture eat flesh of dead animals and these are called scavengers. Now you have third category which is of scavengers. ये flesh खाते हैं लेकिन जिंदा जानवरों का नहीं बल्कि dead animals का. So the animals which consume the flesh of the dead animals are known as scavengers. Then comes omnivores, both plant and meat eaters. The animals that eat both meat and plants are called omnivores. Humans eat both meat, which is animal, and plants, vegetable and cereals. Therefore, humans are omnivores. Crow, dog, ant, sparrow and myna are some other omnivores. अब omnivores आपके herbivores और carnivores का mixture होता है. ये plant भी खाते हैं और ये meat भी खाते हैं. जब जो available हो जाए वो consume कर लेते हैं. Human beings भी आपके omnivores की category में ही आते हैं. Now some other organisms like fungi, bacteria decompose dead plants and animals and these are called decomposers. अब आपके छोटे छोटे microorganisms होते हैं, for example bacteria और fungus, ये dead animals के ऊपर decaying करके उनको decompose करते हैं, hence they are known as decomposers. Now you have activity. Classify the given animals as herbivores, carnivores and omnivores and complete the table given below. Buffalo, crow, cow, cockroach, deer, dog, elephant, goat, horse, human being, jackal, lion, squirrel, tiger. अलग अलग टाइप के एनिमल्स हैं. अभी तक हम इन सभी के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं अलग अलग कैटेगरीज में डिपेंडिंग अपॉन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड दे ईट. इनको हर्बीवोर्स, कार्निवोर्स और ओमनिवोर्स में आपको कैटेगराइज करना है. Now think yourself, we do not get food from scavengers and decomposers, still they play an important role in our life. How? तो ये अभी तक आपने चैप्टर में तो नहीं पढ़ा है, इसीलिए बता देती हूँ कि ये स्कैवेंजर्स और जो आपके डिकम्पोजर्स होते हैं ये आपको किसी वे में डायरेक्टली हेल्प नहीं करते क्योंकि आपको इनसे खाना नहीं मिलता है, बट स्टिल दे हेल्प यू इन वन वे. ये आपके डेड रिमेन्स को क्योंकि डिकम्पोज करते हैं, स्कैवेंजर्स को खा लेते हैं, तो ये आपके एनवायरनमेंट को क्लीन करने में हेल्प करते हैं. Now check yourself, read the clues and fill in the blanks given below each of them. And these questions you have to answer on your own. Now, unique distribution of food. There are many people who do not get enough food. This is due to unequal distribution of food. Some people are getting excess food and suffering from the problem of overfeeding and obesity, while in some other parts of the world, people are suffering from hunger and diseases due to malnutrition. So, we should not waste food. There is a need to find ways by which more food can be produced and this food can be made easily available to each person on the earth. तो already बहुत भूखमरी फैली हुई है तो खाने को वेस्ट तो एटलीस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. जितना चाहिए उतना ही एक बार में निकालिए, उतना ही बनाइए ताकि आपका भी पेट भरे और खाना वेस्ट भी ना हो. और बाई चांस फिर भी बच जाता है तो बहुत लोग हैं जिनको खाने की ज़रूरत होती है, आप उनको दिल खोल के दीजिए. Now glimpse of chapter. Ingredients, materials needed to prepare any food item. Edible, parts of the plant that can be eaten, cereals, edible grains, condiments, spices used to flavor uncooked used, nectar, sweet juice or flowers collected by bees and converted into honey. Herbivores are plant-eating animals, carnivores are flesh-eating animals, scavengers, animals that eat flesh of dead animals, omnivores are plant and flesh-eating animals, and decomposers, organisms that decompose dead plants and animals. Now summary, food is essential for all living beings. Food gives us energy to do physical work. It helps us in repairing or replacing the damaged tissues or cells of our body. We get food from plants and animals. The food items we get from plants are cereals, vegetables and fruits, sugar, oil, seeds, tea, coffee and spices. Milk and milk products, eggs, meat, fish and honey are some food items we get from animals. On the basis of type of food eaten by them, all organisms are either herbivores, which is plant eaters, or carnivores, which is meat eaters, or omnivores, which is plant and meat eaters both. Plants are the ultimate source of food on the earth. So basically इस chapter में आपने food sources के बारे में पढ़ा जो आपके plant driven food items होते हैं. Then you get food items from certain animals also. And animals again are categorized into different groups depending upon what kind of food habits do they have. Now we are done with this chapter. Go through the entire chapter thoroughly and the exercise questions. Please do it yourselves.